Okay. Guys, here's what I want to emphasize. We know the derivative of this, do we not?
Yes.
Which is what? Negative sine t. But that's only for cosine of t. If you have cosine of anything else, you have to do the chain rule. Our rules are only for cosine of t, one thing in the inside. But if I have anything else in the inside of that cosine, sine, whatever it may be, chain rule is an automatic thing. You have to do it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let u be the inside. Now, the hardest part of the chain rule first is determining what is u. And in your homework, the first couple of them tell you what u is. They flat out tell you. Okay. Because it is hard and it just comes with practice. But we get better at spotting once we do a few. So here the inside is not hard to spot. What is the inside? 2t minus 1. So then f of u is saying, well, if all of this is u, my function is then 5 cosine u. It's saying if all of that junk is in fact u, what am I left with? I'm left with 5 cosine u. Now my derivative, y prime, is f prime times u prime. Now, what is f prime? It's now an easy function. What is that? Negative 5 sine u. And that's very important that we put sine u. Times, what's the derivative of u? 2. Now let's clean this up. That's negative 10 sine u. But the last thing I'm going to do is, I didn't start with u's, I better plug back in, right? Yeah, change it back. So u is all this junk, so plug it back in. So y prime is negative 10 sine 2t minus 1.